The front camera sensor system malfunction warning in Mazda vehicles indicates a problem with the front camera, which is crucial for advanced driver assistance systems in models like the CX-9, CX-5, Mazda 3, and Mazda 6. This front camera powers essential safety features including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control, helping to prevent accidents and keep you safe on the road. The malfunction can result from several issues. A dirty or blocked camera lens is a common cause, as shown by this dusty sensor image. Other causes include misalignment after windshield replacement or minor impacts, software glitches, faulty wiring or camera module defects, and environmental factors like extreme temperatures or electromagnetic interference. A recent recall, INSA ID 24V234, addressed front camera calibration failures affecting many vehicles, though some cases still occur. First, try a simple restart by turning off your car, waiting 30 seconds, and restarting. This resets the system and can clear temporary glitches. Next, clean the camera lens with a microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol. Avoid scratches and ensure the lens is completely dry before testing. Mazda offers calibration tools through the My Mazda app or at dealerships. Park on a level surface and follow the on-screen prompts to recalibrate the camera. Ensure your Mazda's software is up to date by checking the My Mazda app or visiting a dealership for firmware patches that can fix known issues. If these steps don't resolve the issue, a dealership can diagnose using an OBD2 scanner. They may need to replace the camera module, costing between $500 and $1,200. For prevention, regularly clean the camera lens and avoid parking under trees or in dusty areas to minimize future malfunctions.